After roughing out most of the Modern Athena's figure, it was now finally time to get her onto a platform because she was light enough to move, and I finally had to deal with cleaning up some of this dust. To make the sculpture stand, I took 2 used pallets, a crowbar, and a cat's paw, and set to work dismantling the one pallet so that I could use all that wood and combine it with the second pallet so that I would have one single yet very, very strong new sculpture stand. Once I had it dismantled, I cut off the nail ends, measured the wood, and cut it to fit the new pallet. Basically, I strengthened the side joists and then added a center joist using all the wood I had just taken from the other pallet. Invariably, in any DIY project, you run out of things, and I ran out of flat brackets, and so I hammered L brackets into flat brackets. Some additional screws in from the top, and then it was ready for the casters to be attached. And I used some heavy-duty lag screws along with a washer. I then added 6 struts to bind the joists together, and it was ready to go. Not a thing of beauty, but it was level, and it had wheels that locked, and it could support up to 3,000 pounds. Finally, time to do some cleaning. So today's the day. I need to put the sculpture onto the platform, and I am filled with some trepidation. So the Modern Athena is now on the platform. It's a huge relief. And I cannot say enough thank yous to my friends. You're the best.